guys, I wanted to come on here really quick and just test this new light I got out. I picked it up yesterday at Best Buy. It's the 330 LED kit. 330 LED kit from Sunpack. I think I'm saying it correctly. I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested. The fact that this house is painted orange, the light that was in here would reflect orange on my skin, so that my videos would end up looking like yellow or orangey. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started and put on some eyebrows with it. How'd I look? I know I look crazy without makeup and just eyebrows, but I think this is the look I'm going for today. Crazy. Like I said, I just wanted to test this LED light out, and hopefully it makes the quality look 10 times better, and I hope you guys like it too. Actually, let me show you the box really quick. I have it nearby. This one right here, Sunpack LED 330 kit. It has these little knobs on the back to adjust the temperature and the brightness of the lights, so it comes in handy, and it comes with a diffuser too. I hope it does make a difference in my videos. Sorry, I was looking at that. I hope it does make a difference in my videos, and I hope you guys notice that difference. I'm definitely trying to better my quality for you guys and trying to keep all of this consistent. And yeah, that was it for this video, guys. See you next time. Peace.